Sneaker Surfer here. Just got the early release of the new Nike basketball Adapt shoe. I did have a pair of the Hyper Adapts. They were very cool, but of course wanted to get this pair too. Something that I was lucky enough to get the pre-order on, like a lot of people wish they would have. Anyways, before we talk too much about the shoe, I just moved into a new house, built my own sneaker room, finally have a place to store all of my shoe boxes and properly display all of my favorite releases, different shoes that I like. Things that I don't wear, they're just for display only. Something that I've always wanted to do. Tried to do in my last house, but didn't really have enough time to do it well like this one. Anyways, quick look at that. Back to the Adapt. So the box, definitely not as cool as the Hyper Adapt was. I thought the packaging on it was much better. And this shoe, I'd say I probably like it equally as much as the Hyper Adapt. I'm not a huge basketball shoe guy. I just thought these were cool and wanted to pick them up. The comes with the charger, which is a wireless charger, which I think is probably the coolest part of the shoe compared to their the Hyper Adapt release. I'm assuming these are the charger cables, and of course they come with a instruction book. And to turn them on, you just hold any button on the side of the shoe for a couple of seconds. And then, of course, press your foot in for it to automatically lace. And then you can adjust the settings and then hold both buttons to have it set to your final setting. These run tight, just like a Hyper Adapt. I ordered a 9.5. I wish I would have ordered a 10 or a 10.5. But if you are actually going to play basketball in them, I think it would be proper to get your normal shoe size. You want to have a real tight fitting shoe. This, of course, for me would be more of a lifestyle shoe, something I'm just going to wear around. But back button loosens the shoe. Front button tightens. Anyways, if you're a technology person or you like to get stuff that I feel like will be worth something someday, I think it's a good cop. Some people don't like it and think it's pointless. I think it's cool. I think it's just a really neat concept. Anyways, Sneaker Surfer, keep in touch.